right, well, hey there, it's Angeline here, and we are going to be doing a quick check-in. So, let's get started. Today is a good day to garden. All right, so these are our mustard greens. Their seeds are ready. They have turned brown. The pods have turned brown, so we're gonna pick the pods off. I'm gonna put them in our little plate here. You can see. Ooh, there we go. See the seeds? It just fell out. So we are just gonna pick up these seeds and they're coming right off on the thing. I'm getting a little nervous because they are coming off in the plate as I'm pulling them. As you can see, I'm just gonna cut it so that I don't have to worry about losing them or planting them in the ground. So let me go get the scissors. So usually I would say to get these seeds, we would just pick up the pods here, but these are coming off in my hand and I don't want to lose them too in there. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, there goes 2 pods. Cut the whole thing. They're nice and dry and ready. So that's how you know when the seeds are ready. They're dry and they come off, as you can see, very easily. So I'm just taking the cut off here. I have all these seed pods. I do plan on planting them here, but not that many. So let me make sure. I'm gonna take them off inside on a plate in a secure place so they don't roll and plant themselves back in the ground over here. I have little mustard greens that are already growing that I'm gonna have plant here. So we're gonna snap these 2 pieces off and we're gonna take our pods inside, and as you saw, inside the dry pods, that's where the seeds are. That was very quick. Now there are some green ones. As you can see, they're still on. So we're gonna leave these green ones and let them dry out until those seeds are ready. Once those seeds are ready, we'll come and clip it off. So these are staying on because the seed pods are still green. So the green seed pods we stay, but the dry brown ones we're taking with us. And then once it's finished, I just take the whole little Y cube out of the ground, and that's it. And that's how we collect mustard seeds. And then I'm gonna show you where I bag them and put them away. So we have those that are still green, and then we have these over here, these seeds which are also still green as well. All right, so let's head inside. So as you can see, the pods are here. And then you just open the pod up and the seeds fall out. So at least now I know when they spill, they're not gonna plant in my carpet. If they do, we just vac them up. So I'm putting them on this plate because it's easy to see. So you basically like deshell them, like eating peanuts or something. Take them out of the shell, which is what we're doing here. And there you go. Easy way to collect them. I like to do it this way. Just smooth. Because they're very, very tiny. This is not like like colander with those giant seeds. They're very small seeds. And there you go. And that's how you collect your mustard green seeds. Easy. And then you store them in a cool place in the book. So that's how we go all the way from our Y cube, from our garden. We brought our plant to seed. If you've been following along, we left it outside for 2 months, let the plant grow and the seeds dry, and here we are.